Welcome back. Continuing the news. The House of Representatives descended into chaos this afternoon as opposition and government members challenged each other about whether the Public Accounts Committee meeting earlier on Tuesday was properly constituted. The lawmakers threw verbal barbs at each other for 45 minutes despite the Speaker's appeals for order. The Leader of Government Business, Carl Samuda, and his opposition counterpart in the House, Philip Paulwell, were especially defensive over what they allegedly said to each other before the sitting was given the go-ahead.
With respect to what the Leader of Opposition said about a continued conversation, where he pointed out certain matters at the end of our conversation, is a total lie.
Mr. Speaker, on a point of order.
He is
a point of order.
Blatant liar.
A point of order.
Mr. Paul, have a seat.
Mr. Speaker,
Sit down and stop talking about point of order. You have no order, let alone a point.
Standing on a point of order.
Yes.
Then state the point
you have no order, let alone a point.
Let the minister finish.
It is in breach of the standing orders for him to, in any way, indicate that a member is a liar inside here.
Under pain of death, I have no intention of withdrawing it. He is a liar.
Discipline in this house and uses language like that. It is not something which is becoming of him, of his side.
I know you can find more elegant language to use.
Mr. Speaker, the member is mendacious.
Thank you, Mr. Samuel.
Mr. Speaker, may I suggest to you that you should investigate this matter thoroughly and have a report tabled in Parliament for the next sitting.